Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is Facebook Privacy Settings. So the first thing you're going to do is sign into your Facebook account. So you can either go in through the Facebook app, which is available on the Google Play Store and the App Store, or you can go into facebook.com if you're on a computer, or if you don't want to use an app, you can also go to facebook.com by using a web browser on a tablet or smartphone. So for starters, we're going to go in here. So this is just what my Facebook looks like right now. So you're on your home page, and then up here at the top, you'll see that there's a little down arrow. So you're going to hit that little down arrow, and we're going to go into settings. And then under account, you can see here it says update your info to keep your account secure. So you always want to make sure you're keeping these things up to date. Your personal information and account information, any phone numbers that have changed, things like that, just for security for you for the future. If you change your phone number out at any point in time, please make sure you go back in and change your phone number because if it's being used as a backup for two-factor authentication or anything like that, you want to make sure that that's up to date. So what we're going to do here is go into the privacy checkup. So this will give us our privacy settings all in one go, and you can go through each one. So we'll just hit that. So privacy checkup will guide you through some of the settings that you can make the right choices for your account. What topic do you want to start with? So we'll just go through these together. So who can see what you share? So this is going to show us the profile information, your posts and stories, and blocking as well. So hit continue. So you can see here I've got my information. So just make sure that that's all up to date as well. If it's not, you can go and change that later on. But you can see here you have email. And then you can see here you have these little drop down menus. So if you hit the drop down menu, you can see here it says public, friends, or only you. So you need to decide who you want to see this information. So do you want anyone to be able to see it so they can find you by your email address? Do you want just your friends to be able to find you on Facebook and be able to see this? Or do you want only you to be able to see that email? So I'm going to hit friends. Your birth date, once again, I have only me and friends of friends. So once again, you can see here that there's a setting. So you can go in here and you can change, like I said, once again, what you would like to have on that. And if you want other people to see it, you can choose friends of friends. So your friends of friends. So friends that your friends are friends with. And then you can go friends, as in your friends that you've friended on Facebook, or then only you. So you can choose between those. Your current city. So who do you want to be able to see that? This is my work Facebook account, so I'm okay with it being public. But if if this is your private Facebook account, your personal one, you may want to be friends or just only you, just depending on what you would like. Your work, once again, friends for me, and then friends and following. So who can see your friends list on your profile? So do you want anybody to be able to see your friends list? Who you're friends with? Or you can choose only you, so only you can see your friends list. And who can see the people pages and lists that you follow. So once again, your friends or only you if there's some kind of groups and things that you want to be in that you don't really want people to see. Once again, this is your own personal area, so it's up to you what you want people to be able to see. So we're going to hit next. Future posts. So your future posts, who can see those? So friends. Stories. So once again, stories are those videos and pictures that you can be seen for 24 hours on your Facebook and Messenger. So I have friends there as well. Limit past posts. Change you can see past posts that were public or friends of friends to only friends. So what this means is that if you have past posts and now you're actually going to go in and you're doing your privacy settings, you can limit now to who sees the posts in the past that might have been set to public or something like that. So you can hit limit and then you can choose just to have friends as well. And then when you block somebody, they appear here. I have not blocked anybody yet, so there's nobody here to see that. But when you block someone, they don't tell them that you've blocked them either. So they just won't be able to send you messages and things like that. So they may be able to figure it out. But you can add people to your block list as well, and it will just show up here. Okay, so we're all set with that one. So we're going to go review another topic. So how to keep your account secure. So review. So is your password private? So you can change your password. Once again, you want to make sure that your password or passcode is something that only you know about. Something that you're not using for every website. You want to make sure you change it up for each website, just because if they get one password, they've got all your passwords. So just make sure that you choose a strong password. I have another video about that on the Wired Wednesdays on YouTube and Facebook. You can go on over and you can see how to create a passcode well as well. So I'm not going to change the password right now, so I'm going to hit skip. And then control alerts tell us how to notify you if someone logs into your account from a place we don't recognize. So what happens is that you have a, Facebook has an idea of where you are. If you have your location services turned on, and they can actually tell when somebody has logged in from someplace else. So say, for example, you live in Thornbury, you use your computer in Thornbury, but then you take your computer to Barrie to use somewhere, or you take your computer to Collingwood to use somewhere. If it doesn't recognize you as being in your general area, it will send you an alert to let you know that someone has logged into your Facebook account. So they'll send you a notification, and then they'll email you as well to let you know that somebody's logged in from a place that doesn't seem normal. If it is you, you can actually just hit it's you, but they want to send you that email just to let you know anyway. Add an extra layer of security to your account. If you turn on two-factor authentication, we'll ask for a code and see an attempted login for unrecognized device or browser. So once again, you can have the two-factor authentication. So you put in your phone number, and then if you're in a place that where Facebook doesn't recognize that you've been before, they will send you a code through your phone through text message. You just type in that code into your Facebook account here, and you'll be able to go back in and use your account just fine. And that's something you can set up or you choose not to have. It's up to you, whatever you'd like to do. But a lot of places now are forcing you to actually do two-factor authentication. Facebook is not doing that yet, but I wouldn't be surprised in the future if they do. So you're all set for there. So we're going to review another topic. So how people can find you on Facebook. So we can walk through these options here. So friend requests, phone number and email, and search engines. So continue. So you're in control of who can send you friend requests. Who can send you friend requests? So if you would like people to be able to send you friend requests who are friends of your friends, you can have that checked off, or you can have everyone. So it's either everyone or friends of friends. So then you're going to go next. Choose who you can look up by your phone number or email address. So I have only me for my phone number and only me for my email. So search engines like Google can link your profile. So, when you Google somebody and you type in their name, their first name and last name, and it shows up with like what is online that's about them. So your Facebook account can come up if you actually have this turned on. So I'll show you what it looks like when you turn it on. It goes blue. So I don't want this to happen, so I'm going to leave it turned off. But if people can Google you, if you have not changed the setting, they'll be able to Google you and find your profile as well. Okay, and we're all set with that one, and then we're going to review another topic. So your data on settings on Facebook. Okay, so what this means is that you can sign in with your Facebook account with other apps and things. Like, for example, the Map My Walk app through Under Armour, you can sign in with your Facebook account. So say, for example, if I had connected to that app with my Facebook account, instead of making a regular login for that app, it will show up here, and you can remove them at any time. So if you're done with an app and you're not using it anymore and you've used your Facebook to sign in, this is where you can go to actually remove those apps and websites that you've signed into with your Facebook account. So under your location, so Facebook is no longer supporting the all the time settings. So you can update your app to remove it while using. Receive this device's precise location only when you use Facebook or never. So you can go into your device settings and you can actually set it up yourself for your location settings. If you don't want Facebook to have your location settings, you can turn them off. You just go into your settings in your device, whether it be an Apple device or an Android device, and you're going to go into your location services, and then it should go by app, and you can turn them on and off for if you'd like to have location turned on for those apps. And you're all set. And then finally, your ad preferences on Facebook. So this is basically, you're going to get ads anyway, so they want to know what you want to do with these ads. So we're going to continue. So they're based on what they think that you're interested in, and they'll show you ads that they think are relevant or useful to you. And then to help them figure out which ads you would most likely be interested in, they use information such as what you do on Facebook and other Facebook company products like Instagram. They also consider what you do off of Facebook, such as non-Facebook websites or apps. So that's if you have these things turned on as well. So you can decide what you want them to do with that. So you can have here. So what they'll do is they'll take this information from you, and then they will use it to give you apps that are geared to you. You will get apps anyway. It's just up to you how much information you want to give to Facebook. So what they're saying here is that you can actually choose so say for example, you like a page. So you like the Blue Mountains Public Library, for example. You hit the little thumbs up there and you like that page. So you can now see that page on your feed. It's going to show you new things that are coming up, with the library and so on and so forth. And they want to know who can see this. So if you like something, your friends can see it unless you turn this off. So for example, who can see your social interactions alongside your ads? So you can choose your friends or only you. So if only you want to be able to see what you've liked online on Facebook, such as pages such as the Blue Mountains Public Library, any sort of social, political group, etc., you can have it so your friends can see it or only you can see it. So those are some options you have for your privacy as well. And that's it. And that's Facebook privacy settings and privacy checkup. Have a great day.